Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the text swipe as you walk on CapCut PC. Let me just remove everything that I had before. So I will just copy and paste the video. On the second video, go to the video section, remove background and select auto removal. Go to text and add in your default text underneath the video. Like this. You can type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in mountains. You can also again choose any font that you want as well for this. So I'm going to bring this a little bit down here, and I'm going to delete the first part. Right click on the text, create compound clip, and you're going to go to video mask and you're going to select the horizontal one and you're going to rotate it this way. So add a keyframe. Oh, actually we don't need to crop that, sorry. Okay, add a keyframe. And then frame by frame, when he walks, you're just going to delete the text. Well, you're going to wipe it using the mask feature. You can do it in one go, but I think it's just more precise to do this instead. Okay, we're almost done. And that is it. This is the result. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.